Some people and companies just feel different. They have a secret, hidden superpower inside. This superpower is called their why. Imagine a target with 3 rings. The outer ring is what you do. The very center is your powerful why. Most people only talk about what they make. Buy my toys. They are the best. It doesn't make us feel anything special. Great leaders start by sharing their why. I believe we can change the world. This inspires people to follow and believe. Your why is your true purpose or belief. It's not about what you get back. It's like your personal guiding star. Once you know why, the how appears. The how is your special way of doing things. The what are the cool things you make. When you share your why, people trust you. They believe in you, not just your stuff. It creates strong, loyal friendships. Why talks to your gut feeling part? What talks to your thinking, logical brain? Follow your gut feeling when choosing. Apple's why was to think differently. They made cool, easy to use computers and phones. Many people joined their why team. Great leaders share their powerful why. They make us want to follow and join them. Like a cool team captain everyone respects. What truly excites you deep inside? What do you deeply believe is important? This is your unique, special why. Use your why for school, games, anything. It helps you make good, inspiring choices. Always start with your powerful why.